Hello, I'm going to explain the work that I have done, and I have add the login and logout sheets. At the moment, all the sheets is logged out. Once you have pressed login for admin, all the sheet get back into the working. I'm going to press this admin, and the password is enter admin. So once I have added, all the sheet disappears. You can see that. And after uh, going to log out, I have pressed this event button admin and use the password admin, and you will find all the sheet is disappear and invisible, though no can you can see that there is no sheet. Expect that sheet is already not in the code. So all the shit is going away. And once you want to show only the login at ZSPRA, and you will find only the PLHL product list of HL voucher for HL, then the database says. And you can afterwards save the entries of the vouchers like something into it, and you will find, and you will get the result uh, as per the as per your liking, and it will be saved like the same way. So then you go back log out, and you can go and press log out, sorry, SPRA, and you will find the logout of the storage, and you can log in by strf storef, and sorry, SPRF storef. You will find all the storef sheets and with the database, and when you log in SPRF, and you will find there is no data available in the store. So this is it. I have completed the work. I'm going to send you with this video. If you have any questions, then let me know. Maybe it's a video link of a YouTube. Then you will click the video link so that you can see the video on YouTube. Okay.